5 reasons why Srinivasa Ramanujan was a math wizard. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a mathematical marvel whose journey from a small town in India to the halls of Cambridge University is nothing short of legendary. Without formal training, he discovered some of the most groundbreaking concepts in mathematics. Let's explore 5 reasons why Ramanujan was truly a math wizard. 1. Born math genius. Ramanujan had a natural gift for mathematics, seemingly born with an innate ability to understand numbers in ways most people could only dream of. Without any formal education, he taught himself complex math and developed his own theories, often without needing the traditional proofs. His intuitive grasp of mathematics allowed him to see patterns and make connections that others simply couldn't. 2. Made big discoveries with little resources. Despite having very limited access to mathematical texts and resources, Ramanujan made groundbreaking discoveries in fields like number theory and infinite series. He created new formulas and solved problems that had puzzled mathematicians for years, proving that sheer talent and determination can overcome even the greatest obstacles. 3. A legendary partnership with G.H. Hardy. Ramanujan's collaboration with British mathematician G.H. Hardy is one of the most famous partnerships in mathematics. When Ramanujan sent his mind-blowing work to Hardy, it was clear he was a unique talent. Their partnership resulted in significant mathematical advancements, with Hardy recognizing Ramanujan's work as being on par with some of the greatest mathematicians in history. 4. Transformed number theory. Ramanujan revolutionized number theory with his work on partition functions and modular forms. His insights were so innovative that they paved the way for new areas of research and inspired mathematicians to explore further. His Ramanujan conjecture is still influential today, showing just how ahead of his time he was. 5. Enduring impact and legacy. Even today, Ramanujan's work continues to influence mathematics, physics, and computer science. His notebooks are filled with thousands of formulas that mathematicians are still trying to fully understand and prove. His legacy is a testament to his genius, inspiring generations of mathematicians to push the boundaries of what's possible. In a nutshell, Srinivasa Ramanujan wasn't just a mathematician. He was a phenomenon who transformed the world of mathematics with his incredible insights and discoveries. His story shows that with passion, curiosity, and a bit of magic, one can achieve extraordinary things. Ramanujan remains a true inspiration for anyone fascinated by the mysteries of numbers. Thank you for watching this video on the incredible Indian mathematician, Srinivasa Ramanujan. We hope you found his story as fascinating and inspiring as we do. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to Studying Machine for more exciting content on the wonders of learning and the brilliant minds that have shaped our world. Don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your support helps us bring more educational content to life. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.